December 1981. Start. Friends, I have great pleasure in addressing this conference today. We are meeting here to discuss the food situation in our country at the present time. The government of India have been taking all steps to increase food production. Unless we are able to increase food production, it is impossible to meet the food shortage in our country. We have to think about several measures which are, in our opinion, essential for increasing food production. In the first place, the irrigation department should work in a satisfactory way. Large number of complaints are received about this department. The cultivators do not get water at the right time, or they get surplus water when it is not needed. It is also a fact that all the areas in this country do not have the irrigation facilities. It is therefore important that wherever such facilities are available, they should be put to maximum possible use. There are, of course, other difficulties which they have to face from time to time. It is better if the government officers go and stay in a village for 3 or 4 days to be in touch with the people in the villages. There is no doubt that this will give satisfactory results in due course. Secondly, the several parts of the country, the success of agriculture depends on use of improved seeds and chemical fertilizers. I would like to say in this connection that the government of India have given suitable instructions to all the state governments to supply sufficient quantities of improved seeds to the cultivators in time. However, it has been seen that many cultivators use too much seeds. Research has shown that use of less seeds in a proper manner has increased production. I therefore request the cultivators to bear this in mind in order to increase food production. We have made a very good progress in industries and our achievements are satisfactory. It is, however, unfortunate that this increase in food production has not been to the extent we had hoped. The effect becomes still less if we take into consideration the increase in population. One of our difficulties has been natural calamity. There are excessive rains in some areas and lack of rains in other areas. I am quite sure that our cultivators have the capacity to make up this deficiency and to give new directions to the country's economic progress. Letter dated the 24th March 1980 from the manager, National Books Company, Bombay, to Swami and Co. Madras. Dear Sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the 26th instant, and we are thankful for the same. As leading booksellers in this part of the country, we hope we will be able to give a satisfactory service to our customers in your area. With reference to your inquiry regarding the availability of books on yoga, we wish to inform you that we do not have stock of such books. We hope to get supply of these books towards the end of this year. We will write to you again as soon as we are able to get supplies of these books from the publishers. Our sales representative, Mr. Balan, will be visiting Madras next month. We have given instructions to him to keep in touch with you while he is in Madras. Thanking you, yours faithfully.